Go.
Okay. Here's a good thing to buy on Memorial Day, and I'm gonna sing about it. All the dirt, all the grit, Hoover gives it every bit, for it beats as sweet as it cleans. It deserves all respect as the best of every claim, for it beats as sweet as it cleans. Oh, it's high, high, hey, the guys are there are three, but tell the world what it means. Bing, 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 spray up all the Hoover gives them all, for it beats as sweet as it cleans. Hoover beats as sweet as it cleans. I'll just make it short then. As it cleans. Hoover beats as sweet as it cleans. Probably if not a full version of that song, I might as well make it short. And kind of thing that I think the singing of June, I think kind of thing that I think the singing of June might be this kind of thing that on the 2nd of June, I think the Hoover Company might want to do their anniversary special coming up. Yep. Yep. Well, before Canton, Ohio was considered Canton, Ohio, it was first known as New Berlin. They might have a German ancestry. That was a century before the Hoover Company was formed, since 1908. I'm guessing they had the earlier models before this vacuum, or my time, of vacuum cleaners. Yep. They're first known as Electric Suction Sweeper Company since 1908. Till the 1920s, they switched to the Art Deco designs. This one is like a plastic model, which they did produce. They can also produce other lines of appliances, like for washing machines, irons, and etc., which we can probably use in the distant future in our metaverse. And I think, and also thanks a million for watching.